For some know, hair has its own natural cycle. It grows from the dermal papilla, which is the oval stem cells. It passes through 3 phases and it dies. Once this hair dies, another starts growing. The first phase, called the anagen phase, is actually the growing phase of the hair. While it starts growing, it pushes the old hair out. The phase continues for up to 6 years. After this, the growth of the hair slows down and changes from late anagen to the catagen phase. This catagen phase is the involuting, regressing, or dying phase. It lasts up to 6 weeks. Growth stops and the hair follicle detaches from the dermal papilla stem cells and falls. This process cuts the hair off from its blood supply and from the cells that produce new hair. After the second phase, the hair follicle enters the telogen phase, which is a resting phase of the hair follicle, lasting around 6 months. For others, while going through life changes, the cycle shortens and the hair becomes thinner. Under these circumstances, the hair goes through all 3 phases as normal, but the anagen phase becomes shorter each time. As a result, the hair starts growing slower and not as long. This process is called miniaturization, where each cycle gets weaker, shorter, and less colored until the hair can barely be seen. Although the hair follicle is not dead, it can hardly produce any hair